Good morning, dear students. Please do not turn on your videos. Anusha. Okay, in the previous class, we finished two problems, I think. Let's start with this third problem. Is that correct? We finished with two problems. Anyone please respond? Okay. Third one. Find the coefficient of correlation and the equations of lines of regression. Clearly, this is type 1 problem. Finding R first and then using that R we find lines of regression. That must be treated as type 1 problem. Clearly, this is a type 1 problem. Find the coefficient of correlation and the equations of lines of regression. Here, x takes values 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 12, 15, 20, 22, 28. And corresponding y are 10, 12, 15, 18, 20, 22, 27, 30, 32, and 34. Let's construct the table corresponding to this table. First column will be for x, second is for y, and third is z. You know what is z? Z is x minus y, and then x square, y square, and here z square. Tabulate the values. Here x takes values. I just tabulate x only. 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 12, 15, 20, 22, 28. These are the values of x attained by x. Next y, next z, next this x square, next y square, and then z square. You complete the table. Once you complete the table, let me know the values. Here n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 set of values are specified. You complete the table and give me these values: summation x, summation y, summation z, summation x square, summation y square, summation z square. You do not write like this. You put the values in the form of a table only. That is compulsory. Since I do not have much space here, written like this. What is summation x? Anyone please unmute yourselves and answer. It's 130, right? Summation x is 130. Next summation y. Now you can unmute yourselves and answer. I enabled it.
220.
Sorry, unknowingly I disabled it. I enabled it. Now you can unmute and answer. Summation y is 220. That's correct. I'm sorry for that. Unknowingly I did it. Summation y is 220. Next summation z. Minus 90, correct? Minus 90. This is a very simple chapter. You must get full 20 marks out of 20. Summation x 130, summation y 220, summation z minus 90. Next, x square, y square, z square.
2288.
Yes, that's right. 2288. Next, y square.
5486.
5486. Right. Next is z square.
840.
840. These are the table values. Now we find x bar, y bar, and z bar. X bar is given by summation x divided by n. Summation x is 130 and n is 10. 10 set of values are specified here. Therefore, this is 130 divided by 10, that is 13. Next, y bar is summation y divided by n. And summation y is 220 divided by n is 10, that is 22. And z bar is summation z divided by n. Summation z is minus 90 divided by n is 10, therefore this must be minus 9. Now we find sigma x square, sigma y square, and sigma z square. Sigma x square is given by summation x square divided by n minus x bar whole square. Calculate this.
9.8.
59.8. That's correct. 59.8. Next, sigma y square.
64.6.
64.6. Next, sigma z square. Sigma z square is 3. That's right. Sigma y square is summation y square divided by n minus y bar whole square. Sigma z square is a summation z square divided by n minus z bar whole square. You get sigma y square 64.6 and sigma z square 3. Now we calculate coefficient of correlation, that is R, which is given by sigma x square. It is given by sigma x square plus sigma y square minus sigma z square divided by 2 into sigma x into sigma y. Just substitute and simplify.
No 0.98.
How much? Tell me again.
98.
That's right. It is actually 0.9766. You can approximate it to 0.98. I got it 0.9766 and approximated to 0.98. This is first part of the problem, finding coefficient of correlation. Now using this coefficient of correlation, we determine lines of regression. We do that now. Just remove everything. Lines of regressions. First line of regression. It is usually y minus y bar is equal to r into sigma y divided by sigma x into x minus x bar. Usually we find this first. Y minus y bar. What is y bar here? Y bar is 22 minus r into, that is equal to r into, r is 0.98 into sigma y, and sigma y is, what is sigma y? Sigma x square is 64.6. Therefore sigma y is square root of 64.6 divided by sigma x. Sigma x square is 59.8. Therefore sigma x is square root of 59.8 into x minus x bar, and x bar is 13. Therefore y minus 22 is equal to, first simplify this part, 0.98 into square root of 64.6 divided by square root of 59.8. You do this first. How much is this? 0.98 into square root of 64.6 divided by square root of 59.8.
1.018.
1.018. Okay, I got it 1.015, but this is also okay. Into x minus 13. Therefore, y is equal to 1.018x. Now tell me the constant.
8.77.
8.77. Okay, I got it 8.8054. This is close to that value, but there is a difference. Anyone else? What is the constant?
8.766.
Okay, then it must be correct, 8.77. You take that value. This is the first regression line. And second regression line is x minus x bar is equal to r into sigma x divided by sigma y into y minus y bar. Do it carefully, we'll go slowly, we have a lot of time. Next module is also a small module. X minus x bar is equal to r into sigma x divided by sigma y, y minus y bar. Substitute. X minus x bar is 13. R is 0.98 into sigma x is square root of 59.8 divided by sigma y is square root of 64.6 into y minus y bar is 22. Now they can join.
Point 94.
1 minute.
0.94.
94, that is right. 0.94 into x. Now tell me the constant.
minus 7.68.
Minus 7.
68.
That's right, minus 7.68. These are the two regression lines. Now make a note of this. This is the problem, and this is the table. I disabled the lock. You just inform them to join. Someone is asking. From tomorrow onwards, I lock after 10 minutes, okay? Commencement of the class. After 10 minutes, commencement of the class, I'll lock it. Summation x is 130, y is 220, z is minus 90, x square 2288, y square 5486, and z square 840. This is the table, and this is calculation of r. X bar 13, y bar 22, and z bar minus 9. Sigma x square is 59.8, sigma y square is 64.6, and sigma z square is 3. And r is 0.9766, approximately 0.98. And these are the two regression lines. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, fourth one. This particular problem is very, very important in examination point of view. This fourth one. Find the coefficient of correlation and then lines of regression. Therefore, this is type 1 problem. Here x takes values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and correspondingly y takes 2, 5, 3, 8, 7. Now let's construct the table. Summation x. You put it in the form of a table. Do not write like this. I have less space to write, that's why I'm writing like this. But you put it in the form of a table only. Once you finish the table, let me know the values. What is summation x? Table will be very small.
15.
15, right. Summation y?
25.
25. Summation z?
-10.
Minus 10. And x square?
50.
50, no?
55.
55, right. Y square?
151.
151. And last, z square?
30.
30. These are the table values. Now we find x bar, y bar and z bar. Here n is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 set of values are specified. Therefore, n is equal to 5. X bar is summation x divided by n. 15 divided by n is 3. And y bar is summation y divided by n. That is 25 divided by 5. That is 5. And z bar is summation z divided by n. That is minus 10 divided by 5 is minus 2. X bar, y bar and z bar. Using this, we find sigma x square. Sigma x square is given by summation x square divided by n minus x bar whole square. Calculate, substitute and simplify. What is sigma x square?
Two.
Right.
2.
Correct. Next, sigma y square.
5.2.
5.2. This is also correct. Sigma z square. Sigma z square.
2, sir.
All the values are correct. Now we calculate R. R is given by sigma x square plus sigma y square minus sigma z square divided by 2 into sigma x into sigma y.
Z06.
Point 80.
0.25.
No, it's not 0.25.
806.
806. This is correct. This can be approximately 0.81. Approximately 0.81. Do it carefully. Do not make mistakes. ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದು. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ 20 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. Do not make mistakes. R is 0.81. This is first part. Next, second part, finding regression lines. First line is y minus y bar is equal to R into sigma y divided by sigma x into x minus x bar. You substitute the values and tell me this regression line, what it is. In the meanwhile, mark your attendance too. What is this regression line?
1.306.
1.306x plus constant
1.0817.
817. Fine, this is correct. Next, second one. X minus x bar is equal to r into sigma x divided by sigma y into y minus y bar. The answer ಹೇಳಿದ್ಯಾರು? Last one. Who was that?
Manjush.
ಮಂಜುಷ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೀನು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದ ಅದು ಫೋಟೋ ನೋಡಿದೆ, ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ನೋಡಿ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
X minus x bar is r into sigma x by sigma y, y minus y bar.
Zero point 502.
0.502 into y. Yes. And constant?
0.49.
0.49. Correct. Both the regression lines are correct. Now you make a note of this. I will show you the table first. This is the table. Summation x is 15, summation y is 25, summation z is minus 10, x square 55, y square 151, and z square 30. Table values. And this is the calculation. X bar 3, y bar 5, z bar minus 2. Sigma x square 2, sigma y square 0.5, sigma z square 2. And r is 0.806, that you can write it as 0.81. Approximately 0.81, not exactly. Exactly it is 0.806. And lines of regression, the two lines of regression. Next, fifth one. Find the correlation coefficient and the equation of the lines of regression for this data. This is another type 1 problem. First we find coefficient of correlation and then lines of regression. have less than 1 minute left. Anyway, I solve this problem in the next class. We have 2 more problems in this method. We will do it on Monday. You try this one. R is 0.96. You note down that R and try this one by yourselves. If you can do it by yourselves, I'll be very happy. R is 0.96.